Yo, what's up? It's DJ Nate. I'm back again. I know I've been gone for a long time, but yeah, I was doing a lot of stuff on TikTok. Now just kind of not doing anything, just kind of chilling out. But you know, you know how niggas are. But I wanted to do an unboxing. I wasn't really planning on doing this or doing any videos. But I got this. I ordered a vinyl. I got his cord in there, so I was like, well, okay. I want to help this artist out because I think they're really good. You know, I love my country women. I'm all about my country women, so I ordered off her website, Kimberly Kelly. See that? That's the cord that I got with the vinyl, and it says, "Yay, you got it. I hope you're excited to get this as I was to ship it to you. It will mean the world to me if you show it off. Snap a pic, share it on social media, tag, hashtag Kimberly Kelly." So, like I said, this card, and it says, "Appreciate ya." Says that's Texan for thank you. So I got that. So there's gonna be a little different unboxing because I already unboxed it, and I have some critiques on her boxing. So this is gonna be kind of a mixed bag of stuff. So I'll show you the vinyl, and I ordered just off her website maroon color vinyl, and I didn't know it was gonna come autograph. So this is it. There's an autograph right there, and here. Now I'm gonna show the vinyl before I show my grievances with her packaging. Maybe it's because she's a new artist, and I don't know who's in charge of actual sending stuff out, you know, but I think they need to work on it. I was kind of a little unhappy with this record, and I'll tell you why in a minute after we look at the vinyl. This is not a gatefold, so I'm probably going to keep the plastic on it, non-gatefold. And the album's called "I Tell You What's Gonna Happen." Let's see if we can get it out without messing it up. Okay. Here's the inner sleeve. Printed inner sleeve. It's good. I do like that. Just information on it. No lyric sheets or anything. And I'm not gonna spin this or play the music, because then YouTube will take this video off off the channel. So I'm not gonna play the record itself. I haven't played it yet. Here's a maroon vinyl. Make sure I get you can see. Pretty cool. Looks good. Looks good. So the vinyl looks good. It don't look good. Now my grievances is it's bent. As you can see, this part is straight. Then you see how it curves in. It's bent. Somebody, even though it says fragile on the box, the box is bent too, right where the record was. So that's my grievances. And the only other thing protecting the record was paper. So I don't know who packed that, but that's my only grievances. But yeah, support Kimberly Kelly. She's awesome. Go check her out on YouTube, which I did. I forgot what song that's on YouTube that I listened to. But go check her out. That's where I found her on YouTube. But go check out Kimberly Kelly. Let's support our country women. You know, I'm all about my country women. I love Ashley McBride. You see Shania Twain. Let's go out and support our Morgan Wade. Let's support our country women. They're out there doing some really good stuff. And there's some new ones out, so let's support them. I like Jamie Wyatt and stuff like that. They're bringing back old school country. So, peace, niggas. I'm out.